In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove titles from the continue watching row on Netflix. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or head over to the official website of Netflix. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now, while you browse through the home page, you're going to find this section of continue watching. On the Netflix mobile app, tap the three-dot menu below the title and select remove from continue watching. Then confirm your choice if prompted. On TVs and streaming devices, highlight the title, open the options or more info menu and choose remove from continue watching if the option is available. If you're using Netflix in a web browser, all you have to do is click on the movie or series that you want to remove. Now here you're going to find this cross icon, click on that. And with that, the selected series or movie will be removed. Also, you can provide a reason why do you want to remove this movie or series from the continue watching. By following the same steps, you are able to remove any other movies or series. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.